When your transmission fails, you face a critical financial decision. Several key factors determine whether replacement makes economic sense or if you should consider other options. The most important guideline is the 50% rule. If the transmission replacement cost exceeds 50% of your vehicle's current market value, the repair may not be financially justified. Vehicle age is crucial in this decision. For cars 0 to 5 years old, replacement is usually worthwhile. 6 to 10 years requires case-by-case analysis. For vehicles over 10 years old, replacement is rarely cost-effective unless the car is in exceptional condition. Mileage is equally important. Under 100,000 miles, replacement is generally worthwhile. Between 100,000 and 150,000 miles depends on overall vehicle condition. Over 150,000 miles is usually not recommended. Finally, consider the different transmission options and their costs. New transmissions range from $3,500 to $8,000 or more. Remanufactured units cost $2,500 to $5,500 and offer good reliability. Rebuilt transmissions cost $2,000 to $4,000, while used transmissions are the cheapest option at $1,500 to $3,000, but carry higher risk. Consider these costs against your vehicle's value and expected remaining lifespan to make the best financial decision. When evaluating transmission replacement, a systematic cost-benefit analysis is essential. This framework helps determine whether the investment makes financial sense for your specific situation. Current market conditions have significantly impacted transmission replacement costs. Since 2023, costs have risen 15 to 20% due to supply chain issues and a shortage of qualified technicians. Let's examine two real-world case studies that demonstrate how this analysis works in practice. These examples show when replacement makes sense and when it doesn't. Looking ahead, industry shifts are changing the transmission repair landscape. The rise of electric vehicles and evolving automotive technology will impact the long-term viability of traditional transmission services.